Good morning, student. Book play a vital role in our life. It is most adaptable invention for conveying knowledge. Book develop your personality. Book bring out writing talent. Book help you to learn why and how for everything. But you ever try to know to understand or to know the different parts of book? No, don't worry. In this video, we are going to talk about the parts of the book. Let's start the video. Let us know the definition of book as per UNESCO standard. To call a document book in a real term, they are UNESCO standard, which read as a book must have at least 49 pages or more, 22 to 30 centimeter in height and 1.5 to 4 centimeter thickness. Then and only a document is called book, following which a document is called pamphlet rather than a book. It is important to understand the anatomy, that is various part of the printed book, to recognize a well designed book in terms of its relative and a practical value for reading and study by the student and the teachers. Every printed book has a three distinct parts. First is preliminaries, also known as preambles or pearls. Second, the body of the book, that is textual matter or text. Third is subsidiaries, also known as end paper. When a book is printed, the textual matter is printed first. Preliminaries and subsidiaries are printed separately and later prefixed or appended to the textual matter. Let us talk about the preliminaries. The list of items mentioned here, just like a announcement. Announcement is basically if the author has a more publications in his credit, the list of the same is announced on the back of the half of title page. Front pieces, it may be photograph, pictures, illustrations relating to the theme of the book. पुस्तक के प्रथम पत्र में लगाया हुआ कोई चित्र, इस टाइप की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रंट पेज के अंतर्गत आती है. द टाइटल पेज, यू मस्ट बी अवेयर of title page of the book. It provide the information like full title of the book, alternative or parallel title if any, author and collaborators names, their qualification, their designations, publishers detail, etc. That is bibliographical notes. On the back of the title page, information pertaining to the copyright, edition, license, printer, etc. is provided in the bibliographical note. Dedication. The author may express personal affection to followers who inspired him or her to write a book. This type of informations come under dedication. Foreword. Contain introduction of the subject of the book by the somebody other than author. Preface. It contains introduction of the subject reflecting its scope, purpose by the author. Then acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is basically author extends thanks or courtesy to those who have helped him to preparing the textbooks or books material. Table of content, it's just like a index. It provides the list of the topic discussed in that book and shows their location in form of number of pages where that particular text material is printed or available. The list of illustration provide the plates etc used in the book and reflect their position. Now next one is list of abbreviation, is basically the list of shortened and abridged form of the word which author has used in that book. Errata or corrigenda. Corrigenda or errata, it's a list of error discovered while printing the matter in a textual form. बुक को प्रिंट करते समय कुछ टेक्सचुअल एरर्स जो आ जाते हैं उनको एरटा के अंतर्गत अनाउंस किया जाता है कि दीज आर द मिस्टेक्स वी विल फाइंड इन दैट बुक. नाउ बॉडी ऑफ द book, textual matter or text. Readers are primarily concerned with the text of the book only. Preliminaries and secretaries are the auxiliary, or we can say these are the extra information created to offer some additional help to the reader in reading that books. So main part of the book is a textual only, and these preliminaries and secondary are the some additional, or we can say the auxiliaries to the book. Now Let us understand the subsidies. Subsidies include the following item in following order. It is not necessary that each book will be having all the various features, but they have a common element found in the books. First is appendices. After note, appendices are provided specially for the tabular information if required. Glossary. For a highly technical subject treated in the book, a glossary of technical terms is provided reflecting their meaning. It is basically used for your science subjects, your research papers. In that kind of material you can find glossary and their meaning, which will appear in this section. Bibliography is basically a list of books either book author has consulted or recommended for the further reading. Next is index, most important, serve as systematic guide to the textual matter with the exact reference of the page number. Now finishes, found in the multi-volume books printed at the end of the last volume. If a book has published in a multi-volume form, then the last copy of that volume series, this finish is found having some information of that particular book. Fly leaves, these are the blank sheets of the paper that you will find these flying sheets in the back of the of books, in many books. Next is plates and map. The illustration that couldn't be printed with the text can be provided here in the form of plates or map. You will find also in this type of information in the subsidies part of the books. Now the end paper. End paper is basically opaque paper for concealing a mechanism of binding and providing some extra strength to the cover. So in many books we have seen that some papers are left blank for the next note purpose, but the motto behind to keep these papers kept blank is to provide extra strength to the covers. Now the jacket, as you are aware, is prevent the book from the dust and give your book some extra life. So these are the some information regarding the different parts of book. I hope you will understand, and this video is going to be very useful to understand the different parts of book. The next time when you're going to read the book, you must be aware what are the different part of any books. Thanks for watching this video and listening patiently.